Learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. Perfect for beginners and travelers. Follow this step-by-step dialogue and practice speaking confidently. Scene 1, entering the restaurant. Hi, table for 2, please. Sure, right this way. Scene 2, looking at the menu. Waiter, here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink? You, yes, I'd like a glass of water, orange juice, coffee, please. Scene 3, ordering food. Waiter, are you ready to order? You, yes, I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Can I also get a side of fries? Could you make it without onions, please? Scene 4, asking questions. What do you recommend? What's today's special? Does this dish contain nuts, gluten, dairy? Scene 5, during the meal. Excuse me, could we have some extra napkins, please? Can I get some ketchup, please?